So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the recording tab. Now once you're here, make sure that your correct microphone is actually set as default and that you have it selected. So you're going to select your correct microphone and then click on set default. And now the green tick will appear right here, indicating that it's now a default device. Also, for some reason, if your microphone has been disabled, then you want to right click on it and then click on enable. Make sure that you have it both enabled and set as a default device and then click on OK. If that's still not working, for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with recording sound. Click on it. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the third method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand audio inputs and outputs. You're going to find your correct external microphone, right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, if you can get the drivers from the manufacturer's website or from the manufacturer's application, that'll be good as well. And now for the last method, you want to unplug your external microphone, restart your computer, and then plug it in again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.